Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm premium box for the month of, what month are we in? For the month of June 2022. So if you want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's jump right into this unboxing because I'm super excited. I want to know what I got in my box. This is what my box looks like. It just got delivered in the mail today. The box is a little bit beat up, but hopefully everything is okay in there. We are going to jump into it. So it still does have the little seal on it. I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are because it's a surprise. I don't know what I'm getting in my box, but hopefully it's a good premium box. My base box was amazing. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below so you guys can go check it out. All right, let's see. All right. Well, guys, this is what my box looks like. And it is the same theme as the other box. So the theme for the month is Express Yourself. I love that. All right, guys. So the premium box that I got for today, this is the variation that I got. It's the letter C2206206-PM. So hopefully it is a great box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and take this little packaging stuff out of the way. All right, so it does have a lot of packaging in there. Let's shake it up. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out this box right here. So this is a Santorini grape, and this is by the brand called Course. This is a poreless skin cream. It has salicylic acid, and it's going to help smooth it out and balance it out. All right, guys, so this seems like it is going to be skincare, and I'm all for it. I'm trying to be more knowledgeable in the skincare area. It's not my favorite, but I'm trying to be more knowledgeable and mindful of that because skincare is always priority. You really have to take care of your skin before you apply any kind of makeup, of course, so you want to take care of that. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging on it. It is like a glass container, and I'm excited for it. So this is going to help with smoothing out your skin, maybe like with texture. I do have texture issues because I had really bad acne before I got on Accutane. So it's going to help out with that. I'm going to open it up because I will be putting this to use. And it has the little seal. So I want to feel the texture of this. It has like a little smell to it. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like in the container. And I'm just going to dig some of it out as I want to see what it feels like on the skin. Let's see. Let's give it a little swatchy. Feels very hydrating onto the skin, as you guys can see. Do you guys see that little shine? Love that. It doesn't smell strong or anything. It has a very, very light scent, but I'm super excited for it. I will definitely be putting this to use. I'm excited for it. I'm super excited. I love the little container. I love bright colored stuff, so the container definitely stands out. So I will definitely be putting this cream to use to help smooth out my texture. All right, guys, so we're gonna set that aside. Okay, up next, this is what the box looks like. What is this? Okay, so this is some Shadow Moon reusable shields. I thought they were like like something else. like nip covers or something, like silicone like nip covers, but maybe it's not. So it's like a shield. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Is it just one or is there two in here? What in the world? Is it just one? Okay, so it's like a silicone shield cover. Maybe when you do like your makeup, your eyeshadow. Reusable shadow shield. Okay, for fast and flawless eye makeup application. Oh, so I guess it is. It's just only one shield. Alrighty then. So this is going to catch the eyeshadow fallout whenever you are doing your makeup application. This also helps achieve a perfect eyeshadow and winged eyeliner application. Oh, I guess. Okay, I could see that. So yeah, so definitely, I don't know if I would use this or not because, I mean, yeah, when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I guess the fallout would help out with fallout, but, and then also for eyeliner, if you have trouble like winging the little wing out, like this is gonna help you with that. So this is what this little moon looks like. It's like a peachy color. It's like a silicone. It feels like really nice, soft and smooth. But yeah, it is a eyeshadow shield. All right, that's different. I don't know how I feel about this product, but okay. I guess it could be really helpful with like the eyeshadow and the wing. I don't really wear winged eyeliner, guys. I just don't do it anymore. So it's a bit much for me, but I guess if like you're a beginner, it could really help you guide out that wing. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing. What is this right here? I'm excited for this. OMG! Yes, we got some Dominique Cosmetics in our box. So this is the cream blush, and this one is in the shade called Warm Peach. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All of a sudden, I'm excited. Yes, I love Dominique Cosmetics, guys. All right, so this is what the little component looks like. I love the color. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for it. So this is what the little blush, the cream blush looks like. Let's swatch it. Oh my God, it's gonna give you a very nice flush of color. I'm so excited for it. I'm like slowly starting to get into like the creams and the bronzers, cream formulas. Because now I'm starting to age, so I'm trying to be more mindful of like the matte stuff and powders. So I'm super excited for this little blush. I will definitely be putting this to use. I'm so excited for it. The color is so beautiful. The component is very nice as well, and it has a little mirror. And then it says Salt Up. Is it Salt Up Powerful? Oh, it has like something right here on the mirror. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm super blind, but it's super cute. I'm so excited for this item. All right, what else did we get in our box? Okay, let's see what this one is. Okay, so here's this. And this is by sandbarbeauty.com. Okay, so this is a Shadow Light eyeshadow primer. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow primer. Let's see what this looks like. I've never heard of this brand, but let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Okay, so is it a white primer or what? Okay, let's see what this is about. This is what the one looks like. And let's see. Okay, so the product inside of here, it does have a little white sheen. It's kind of hard to hold up. So there it is. So it's an eyeshadow primer. Has like a little white sheen. I actually really do like white eyeshadow primers because once you apply color to it, it's gonna pop. Like your eyeshadow is gonna pop because it has a white base underneath. I'm just curious to see if this eyeshadow primer is even gonna work. So hopefully it doesn't crease up your eyeshadow or anything like that. But it looks like it is drying out. And it's starting to feel a little bit tacky, but it is kind of like drying out matte. So I'm excited for it. This is a new product that I've never ever heard of or tried. This brand is new to me. So I'm excited for it. I've never heard of it, but I'm excited to try it out. Yeah, it's drying out and it feels pretty matte. So hopefully the longevity of that primer is on point. All right, well, Looks like we have 2 items left in our box. Let's pull this out. So up next, oh my god, Patrick Todd in the premium box. Yes, give it to me. Okay, so Patrick Todd is a very luxe brand that can be found at Sephora, and I am so down for it. Let's see what they sent out. I believe this is the mascara, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is in the color black, and this is their major volume mascara. I've seen this one in store. I'm so glad that I'm getting a mascara because I actually do need a new one. So this is what the one looks like. Let me put it up here so you guys can see it. I'm so excited for it. I am currently using the last mascara that Boxycharm sent out to me. So I'm glad that they sent us out a new one, and it is a Patrick Todd brand, and Patrick Todd is a very luxe, as we all know. The price point is super fancy. So yeah, I'm excited for this mascara. Yes, thank you, Boxycharm. I needed that. All right, and it looks like we have one more item in our box. Natasha Denona. What? Oh my god. Okay, so it says Natasha Denona on here, and it says Cupid. It's a 5 eyeshadow palette. Yes, give it to me, Boxy. I'm so excited. Oh yes, I love. Okay, so this is what this palette looks like, and we all know Natasha Denona is up there as well. I do just notice that this shade here, it looks like it's kind of like cracked, so I'm trying to be careful, so hopefully it doesn't like fall off or break apart. But this is what this palette looks like. It's very, very nice. It has like these really soft, like neutral matte shades. This bronzy shimmer shade. It has like a champagne shimmer shade as well. Super pretty. Let me just, oh yeah, this one is gonna be broken, so I am gonna try to be super careful. There's that one shade. Here is another shimmer. Super pretty. They look super metallic-y. Let's see these mattes. Here's the matte one. Here's another soft matte. So there they are in my fingers, the tips of my fingers. And here's this other one. So there they are. They're super pretty. I love these. They're so, so cute. I love this box, guys. I have, how many makeup items did I get? Because that's what I look forward to. We got the eyeshadow palette, we got the blush, we got the mascara, we got the eyeshadow primer, we got the shadow shield. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. I guess I'll give it a try. And then we also did get the Caress cream to help us out with our texture, to help smooth out the skin. I am impressed, guys. I love my box. Let me just tell you really quick how much each item retailed for. So first off, we have the Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. So it has 5 eyeshadows. This one is a high-end item because it can also be found at Sephora. So this one does retail for $48. Then up next, we have the Patrick Todd Major Volume Mascara. This one does retail for $29. Dominique Cosmetics, the cream blush retails for $22. I'm so excited to have this in my collection. I'm literally going to try it out right now, right after this video. I love blush, so I'm just going to put a little bit on just to try it out because I'm so excited for it. This one is $22. Then we have the Caress Poreless Skin Cream. Look how pretty this packaging is. It's so nice. This one does retail for $36. Then we have the Shadow Moon Reusable Shield. Here's this. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think about this item. Would you guys use it? Or let me know if you got this in your box. But this one does retail for $28. I don't know if I would buy this for $28. I'm almost pretty sure that I wouldn't. So I'm kind of happy that I got it in my subscription box, so I could try it out. You know, you discover new items this way. So that was $28. Then up next, we have the primer. This little white primer does retail for $15. OMG, I think this box is totally worth it, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite item. Let me know if you got your Boxycharm delivered already, because mine just arrived today. Want to know what you guys got. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.